Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. You can block the number which you've got currently saved, and you can block a number which is totally unknown for you. So let's start with your contact list. Let's open the dialer, find your contacts and tap on the contact you'd like to block. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So if you are ready, just tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got this information, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter in the second way of blocking the number. So here it does not really matter whether we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general section we have to tap on blocked numbers, and right here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So the first way also works, as we can see, and I'm not really sure if I told that, but this way is more manual, so we have to add the number manually. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got the section where we can enter the number and then tap on block. Of course, you can paste it if you've got it copied. And we had this information that the number has been blocked. It is obviously on our blacklist, and again, we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. We can tap on unknown, on the switcher next to this option, and from now on your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always, of course. You can untick this, turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again. And if you want to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.